Make sure to stay until the end. It may not be the fuse, or you may need a special procedure after replacing the fuse. We'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger and you have a problem where front right turn signal doesn't work. You're trying to find where the fuse is located for that front turn signal, guys, on the right side. Stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. And if it, let's say you had a bad fuse or bad turn signal, you replace it and it still doesn't work, we'll explain what else it could be. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from and you can save a fortune. So let's explain how to fix that now. So what we have specifically here, 2018 Dodge Challenger, guys. Automatically most people will open the hood and what they will look for, that fuse box right here under the hood, they will open and check here, but that fuse for the front front right turn signal, it's not here, guys. It's actually at a different location. So we need to come towards the back. You can see car was in a little bit of an accident here, but runs and drives like a champ and we'll be fixing it soon. We'll go ahead, turn the ignition switch off, and here in the trunk under the cover, guys, where your spare tire is, you can see that's your car battery, and it's recommended for many repairs, actually for many fuse and relays procedures when you remove and replace them, to disconnect even the car battery, guys. Otherwise you can burn electronics and modules. And on this modern vehicles, it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect and reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can burn modules and computers, and we've done that. $2,000 repair, guys. So check out, there is a video which battery terminal to disconnect first. Here's a fuse box that we need. We'll go here, open that cover, and the fuse, guys, that we need to check now. It's super important to always test fuses and relays, because you cannot always clearly see if fuses are burnt. And let's say you think it's a good fuse, but you put it back in, you may spend time, you may spend money on parts and trying to fix a problem that doesn't exist. So always test fuses, relays. We will put a special link to a video that will teach how to test fuses, relays, and where to buy cheap fuses and relays from. So coming here from the left side to the right, even if you have a missing fuse, you still count it. You have fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That sixth fuse right here, that's known as fuse F7. So you're going to go ahead, grab it, and pull it out, just like that. You can see. So that's the fuse, guys. If you need to buy replacement ones, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. So if you put the fuse, it was burnt, and you check the turn signal still doesn't work, what else it could be? Sometimes, guys, you may need to reset the body control module, and how you did that, you may need a computer like that. This is amazing. That's our favorite scanner, guys. I will put the link in the description of the video below. It works on almost any car you can think of. You can check out the link for more information and current price and features, but it can access every computer system, reset codes, delete codes, see live data, and on some of these modern cars you may end up having even more than 50-60 computers, guys. Definitely a must on your vehicles. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.